2001 Chevrolet S10, 4.3 liter. The man was driving it, parked it in the yard. She didn't hit another lick. My first instinct was, hey, it's the fuel pump. But you know, when you turn the key on, you stick your head down to the old gas flapper there. You hear fuel pump. She turns on. Welcome to Chrisman Garage. We have took this line off and turned the fuel pump on, and you can hear the fuel pump running in the gas tank right there. And she just barely trickles out. So we know it's definitely the fuel pump. These have a bypass in them, so I'm saying that the bypass is probably blowed out and it's just pumping it right in the tank. Sometimes you can take the bed off of these, get them off better, but this one's going to be good. We'll take this bolt out here, drop this shield down. Then we've got a bolt right up there. We're going to take it out. And we got another bolt right here. We're going to take it out. And we got to undo the gas flap. We got to undo those gas flap here. But it's not bad. These are normally 7mm. Take them out, let her fall down. We might have a few other things. I'll keep you all posted. All right. Well, a couple things. We got her out. I'm going to tell y'all what the aggravating parts were. One thing we had to do was there's a center support for the drive shaft. I knocked those two bolts out so I could push the drive shaft over. It gave us about that much more room, which is what we needed to slide it over. The bracket that goes around this way actually had bolts going through the frame, and you had to take this off anyhow. So we went on and took those bolts out of the frame, and it slid down out of the way. This here was hitting the frame, so it was kind of in a bind, so we went on and took it loose here also. It's a good idea to do both of them so you don't mess anything up. And this ground strap was on top of the frame rail, 13mm, knocked it right off. So we're down to the fuel pump. Obviously, you had to unhook these vent lines and this little, I don't know if that's like a little vent valve or whatever it is. Anyhow, we've got this stuff here. I'm going to blow it off real good. And zoom in right here. I'll show you how these come loose. Now, if you can see these, they spin around, and it's got this plastic piece in here with little teeth on it. All you do is you pinch on this plastic piece, and it pulls right off. See that? So I'm just going to leave it stuck up there just a little bit for now. But you just pinch them, pull. See how easy that is? Comes right off. All right. So we've got our new fuel pump here. Customer brought this, had a friend of his give it to him. It's brand new, lifetime warranty. We got a new harness. We're probably going to, well, I'm going to inspect the harness. If the old factory harness looks good, we're going to leave it alone. It's got a new pickup, all kind of stuff on there. But we're gonna blow this off, and then we're going to knock it off. All right, we're going to blow this off good. All right, now what I'm going to do is, it's got a snap ring up here. I'm going to try to wring it out. There we go. Snap ring disengaged. We're going to set her right there. We're going to see. Oh. She's factory. She is full of gas. It appears as though the pickup has fell off. Huh. That one's got a sock on it. This one don't. Let's put all this gas back in. This stuff is precious. See how this one doesn't have a sock on it? I'm wondering if it's down in there. Huh. Not in there. Didn't have one from the factory. How about that? Okay. Perfect. Now we know it went in like this. Well, we got the new O-ring on here. I'm just making sure it had an O-ring. All that's clean. Goes down in. We'll see. There she went, right there. She falls right in place. We'll put the ring back in there. Just like so. Need to bring her around this way, just like so. Oh, we missed a little clip over here. Gotta make sure it's got to go up underneath all those clips. It's the only one I'm missing. There she went. There she went. Under that clip, under that clip, under that clip, under that clip. And see, it can't go but one way, so that's the same way it come off. Now, we're going to take the lines off one at a time. We'll take the lines off. You see, these just pinch and pull off. And normally you can flip these around and push them right off too, just like that. And then we'll put this one on here, just like that. Pinch, pull off. Pull it right off. Put it right on. Like a boss. It's pretty much all there is to it, fellas. Not bad at all. I'm going to inspect that harness. I'm pretty sure the harness is good. And we're going to go back up in with this. That's all there is to it. All right, we still got this thing up in the air because we got a few other things we got to do to it. But this main video was just for the fuel pump. The other stuff's basic stuff. Always turn your key on and off and on. Oh yeah, she's making a lot more noise too than the other one did. Fuel gauge is working good. Look at that. Yep. Good to go. Wasn't too bad. There's them few things that we talked about that was a little aggravating to work on, but for the most part, she's fixed. So remember, till next time, if she's giving trouble, she's definitely going to the bad.